Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is January the 9th, 2022. We're going to talk about NVIDIA today. I'm getting a very urgent warning that I'm seeing on the price chart just to give you all a heads up as to where I'm looking for the price to go without the confusion. Yes, I'm not going to come in and confuse you. Enough people are already on YouTube confusing the mess out of us all, trying to tell you where they think the price is going to be in the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years. Well, I'm going to show you something different. So if you guys appreciate my videos, my content, if this is your first time ever seeing my videos, make sure you guys like it, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel, join the community, because this is what I do. I do price predictions without the confusion. Look at this. If you guys want to see the latest prediction that I have for any particular stock, come here to my playlist. I'm fully transparent. All of my price predictions are here. Every last one of them. They're fully documented to show you what my expectations were, whether or not I got them right, whether or not I got them wrong. They're all here, every one of them. Look at this. This shows you how powerful it is to understand the language of the markets, because you're able to participate in every market that has a chart. Any market that has a price chart, you can actually join in and take a look. Yeah, I've been in this game for a while, and I'm showing you everything that I have done for in terms of price prediction for these stocks. So if you guys want to see the latest, like I said, hit the playlist. All right. So now let's go ahead and talk about NVIDIA real quick. Okay. Because I'm not going to spend too much of your time. Like I said, look at this. Yeah, I did a price prediction in the market in NVIDIA right there. See, I don't hide anything from our community. I want to show you that you can do this for yourself. You also can become profitable without using technical indicators, without talking about fundamental analysis. The proof is here. I did a video in NVIDIA, right, on December 22nd. Yeah, I did it right here. Now, I was bullish into the market on that particular day, and I want you all to see the price action. Look what happened. Not only did the price go up, not only did I call the market correctly and accurately, I wasn't massively bullish. I told you where the market was going to flip. I anticipated that the market was going to flip around $310 in NVIDIA. Yeah, I told you all that. So for that to come to pass, it doesn't catch me off guard. I'm not surprised to see that happen. Other people may be. So right here, it was only 6.4%. But again, we called the market. We knew that the market could flip there at that price level. So we got that 6.4% out the way before it actually went down. Now that's done. That is over. So now we need to prepare as to what we're seeing on the chart in NVIDIA. Okay, so look at this. Let me extend out this area here, because on that particular day, December the 22nd, I want to see the buyers come in here. Okay, I want to see them. Yeah, they need to show me that they're there. Right, just like they did here on December the 14th, just like they did here on December the 20th. We need to see the buyers here. Okay, so now if I'm giving you an urgent warning and the price is traded right there around where I'm expecting the buyers to appear, then obviously I'm not looking for the buyers to approach $270. No, I'm not looking for that. And I'm going to show you the price chart that lets you know that this market in NVIDIA is still weak. So let me show you. Okay, and you guys can see it here on a weekly perspective. Okay, now this is where we need to talk. This is what I need to show you. Because the market in NVIDIA, if it was truly strong, if the market buyers were going to approach $270, then we would not have seen all of this volume come through. We would not have seen that. And then secondly, we would not have seen the price close at the low of this weekly price bar. This tells me that there's still some selling involved into the market in NVIDIA. Yes, you just got to believe what you're seeing on the chart and know how to act accordingly. See, when this price dips in NVIDIA, yeah, I'm going to get a whole lot of comments in the comment section saying I'm wrong, that they disagree with what I'm showing you on the chart. But hey, the market doesn't care about how we disagree, agree, whether or not we see it, whether or not we don't. It's still going to move, regardless of whether or not you agree or not. And this is what the weekly price chart is showing us, that the market in NVIDIA is weak. I mean, look at this. Look at all of these weekly price bars in NVIDIA, right? And you guys can actually tell that it's a lot of selling involved here or a lot of buying. The only positive weekly price bar that I can see here is this one. That's the only positive one. While price in Nvidia has been trading above $270. That's the only week that we saw the market end up higher. Only one. And then following that weekly price bar, the next two weekly price bars, price has been closing on the low end of the bar. So there's still weakness here. Did you see this on the 5-day? Look at that. All of this volume is coming through on the 5-day time frame, right? And we're still seeing the price close on the low end of that 5-day price bar. So yeah, if you're thinking about jumping into the market in Nvidia right now, the chart is telling you something different. Okay. Yes, it is. Now, do you see something on this chart? Right? Do you see anything on this chart? I think I mentioned this on a couple of videos ago in Nvidia. Let me show you. Do you think that's a gap? This is definitely a gap. Do you think the market in Nvidia is going to come here and try to fill it? Huh? Do you think so? That's a gap. And one thing I tell all of my subscribers is that the market doesn't like inefficiencies. It doesn't. It has to create an orderly market. It has to be orderly and efficient. And when you see gaps, the market usually tries to come back in and fill it because of that reason alone. It is his job. The one you see on the bottom left side of my screen is his job to make sure that he creates these orderly markets. And if he doesn't, then he cannot be efficient at making everyone think that they're getting an equal share at where they're expecting the price to go, right? Yeah, we need to pay attention to that. See? So not only am I looking for the market in Nvidia to go down, that's one area right there. Now, can we see the market hit there tomorrow? Not necessarily. Three-day time frame. So the first area that I'm going to show you that I'm looking for the price to go is right here. Okay, $260. That's the first area. Secondly, I'm going to be bearish into the market in Nvidia until I see the price break above $310. As long as that's the case, as long as I see the price in Nvidia trade below $310, I know what's going on. Yeah, I know that the sellers are still controlling the price in this stock. That's the first area though. 260. Taking this back over to the daily. Okay. The second area will be all the way down here to try to fill this gap. $235. Yes, that's the second area. So when you see this this play would have to happen over the next couple of weeks, okay? Not the next couple of trading days. Let me show you. This is the 3 weeks chart. And yes, I'm still seeing weakness here into the market in Nvidia. I mean, this is definitely weak from a 3-week perspective. 2 weeks. This upcoming trading week, if this price bar in Nvidia looks the way that it looks now on the 2 weeks time frame, I'm definitely going to play some weakness here in the market. Definitely. Yes. But hold on. I still got 5 days and 5 hours to let this market work. So let's keep that on the back burner right now. Okay. So let me go ahead and move this over because I have given you 2 price targets. I said 260 first, which I understand the buyers may try to approach the market in Nvidia there. But ultimately, somewhere around this gap. Now, it might not completely fill it, but he's going to try to bring that price down there so that he can complete the inefficiencies that you see on this chart. Yes. Okay. So this is it. This is that urgent information I wanted to show you all way before the market goes down, because you're going to see a whole lot of people come on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and tell you to come in and buy these dips. Well, let's just say that the market is showing us from a price chart perspective that is going to continue to dip a little bit further. Now, again, it's your choice. if you're going to do that, just understand that the market is telling us that there's still some weakness here in Nvidia. Yes, it is. Now, you don't have to believe me. You don't have to believe the chart. You're up to your own due diligence, right? So-called, that's what they tell you all to do. You know, your due diligence. Well, I want you all to tell me then, where do you think the price in Nvidia is going to go over the next couple of weeks, right? February, beginning of February, first, second week of February, where do you think the market price is going to be? Yeah, I've shown you what I think. I'm going to keep this error right here just so you all can see the gap. And we're going to see if the market's going to fill it. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.